If you ever had trouble selecting overlapping elements, here is how to do it. Here we have two slabs and two openings that are right on top of each other but at different heights. No matter how we click, we cannot select the second opening. In the drop-down menu, select Selection option for ambiguous elements on or off, and while the This tool is on, click on the openings. A new window appears with two slab openings. Select the lower one and in the 3D view we see which opening we have selected. Now we can modify him or do whatever you need, like copy, move or anything similar. We also use this tool to find elements that overlap even if they are not visible at the first sight. And in this case they are ordinary lines. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.